Welcome to session 8 of our class. This week, you will be working on 2 assignments. The first assignment this week, again, is to remember to be reading the book you selected for your book team project. You should be finished reading the book this week and taking notes about what you think is important to share with your classmates. During next week's class session, you will be creating a page to collaborate with the other members of your book team project, those members who are reading the same book as you are. So at the end of this session next week, you will be deciding together what to share as powerful concepts and practical strategies that you think your classmates could apply in their own classrooms and coaching situations from the book you're reading. So this week, finish up, get some notes down, and next week you'll be ready to prepare that together. Finally, for your second assignment this week, you will be responding to 3 prompt questions after you have completed the mini lessons that are listed within the module as social emotional learning. It will be helpful if you open up the final box that says assignment reflection on the module in Canvas before you actually open up the social emotional learning box to complete the mini lessons, so that you can get an idea of the prompt questions and what to concentrate on during this module, so that you can take notes on the mini lessons and be ready to reflect on this assignment at the end. When you're ready, click on the Submit Assignment button inside that box in Canvas, and you will open up a box to type or attach your notes. Click on the bottom of the page on the Submit Assignment button once you have your notes ready and finished to turn in for grading. Have a great week.